How does ChatGPT answer your questions in just a few seconds? And does it actually understand what you are saying? When you type a message, ChatGPT does not read it exactly the way a human does. First, it breaks your prompt into smaller pieces called tokens. A token can be a word, part of a word, a number, or even punctuation. The model then analyzes how those tokens relate to one another. It uses a type of neural network called a transformer, which helps it determine which parts of your message are most important. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to explain gravity to a 5-year-old, it pays attention not only to the word gravity, but also to your request for a simple explanation. But ChatGPT does not search through a database and copy a prepared answer. Instead, it generates its response one token at a time. Based on everything written so far, it calculates which token is most likely to come next. Then it repeats that process hundreds or even thousands of times extremely quickly until the answer is complete. To develop this ability, language models are trained on large amounts of information so they can learn patterns in language, reasoning, writing styles, and relationships between concepts. They also receive additional training based on human feedback. People review responses and help the system learn which answers are more useful, accurate, and safe. ChatGPT can also use tools. Depending on the version and the user's settings, it may search the web, analyze an image, read a document, perform calculations, or write and execute code. But there is an important limitation. ChatGPT does not automatically know whether every sentence it generates is true. It can sometimes produce incorrect information that sounds completely convincing. That is why important facts should still be verified. So, does ChatGPT truly understand language like a human? Or is it simply the most advanced prediction machine ever created? After learning how it works, would you describe ChatGPT as intelligent or as an extremely powerful imitation of intelligence?